Can you hear that
You
music
ready
at
for
all?
this? Nope.
Yeah, we're live.
You ready for
You say
this?
no, you can't hear it?
No, I can't hear any music. Oh, now I can. There we go.
Cool.
You got the music playing.
Yeah, we got one viewer so far. Good morning,
Hey,
whoever
look at
that may be. So I'm having internet issues here. So I'm on my laptop, feeling a little hindered this morning. But we'll see how this can play out.
Welcome to my world, buddy.
Did you get in? Yeah. Yeah, one screen. Well, I have two screens at least, but definitely not my 4-screen setup. So, do you take any trades this pre-market, Nick?
I did. I took an ES long at about 6 o'clock and just held it until like 8:45.
Whoa, nice.
So that was a nice trade.
Very nice.
Yeah, I wanted to close it before any volume got on and get dumped and gave away everything I made.
Right?
I wanted to be greedy, but I decided against it.
Good choice.
Got 1 minute until the open. Any good news overnight? Did the war end? The war that's not a war?
Yeah. I was looking at Financial Juice and I didn't read the news, but Trump believes the Iran leader is alive but damaged? Huh? That was just like 2 minutes ago.
He's alive but damaged. Kind of like all his kids. Oh, what do we got here today? Shit. YM bounced up, came halfway down that green candle, and is just fiddle farting around down there.
Yeah, we're above point of control here on ES. So in theory, buys should be in play at the moment, but we'll see how this plays out here.
Yeah, in theory. And I have to leave a little early today.
Yeah, I'm down with that. Just don't want to spend too much time on the charts if I'm not used to this setup here.
So we're above the Asian high. We hit the London high.
I'm in long here.
On what, ES?
Yes.
Yeah, longs really should be in play today.
Just depends if we're going to get that pullback sooner than later.
Mm-hmm.
YM starting to pop up again, looks like. NQ is sort of at the top of a channel that I had in place. Yeah, YM's almost making a new high here, but NQ's just not cooperating at the moment for the ES. Looking like I wish I was in the YM long right now instead.
Yeah, right.
NQ's back to previous day's VWAP. Looks like I'm going to get a stop out here. 2 more points, 1 point.
Didn't quite hit previous day's VWAP. It was pretty close, though. I think an ES may end up coming off of that.
Need some lift on NQ here to kind of help it out because YM's still pushing up here, making a new high again.
So I am in a ES long right now, 6 micros, and I got $45 in profit locked in.
I'm locked into profit a little bit now too. Might stop me out on a pullback here. Ooh, so close.
Added in another 3. Still got that $50 locked in. Just moved all of it up a little ways. Don't pull back on me now.
Come on, let's go. Yes. Let's do it. There we go. I took one off.
All right. Well, it took my stop. I made $50.
I'm still in with
That was
one
my
right
one trade before initial balance was set, or opening range was set.
All right, I'm locking in about $30 here
Nice.
on this single micro. Still riding this up a bit. There we go. Stopped out. Made $30.
Hey, look at that. Opening range isn't even set, and we're up $80 total.
Woo!
Between the two of us.
Okay, let's wrap it up. Good stream today,
right.
guys.
We're done.
Made our coffee.
Good morning,
money.
Johan.
Kaylin, you made it. Crazy story. Uh-oh. What's the crazy story, Kaylin? Sorry, I was focused on this trade, and I have an internet issue here, so I'm running my laptop off of my phone, tethered from my phone. So, and good morning, Johan. I did an internet search too to see if I was frozen or what's going on with the internet. My bad. And it seems like there's no other outages, so there must be a tree or something that fell around the area. So yeah, usually we wait the first 15 kites kick ass. Usually. No way, you got internet outage also, did you say? That was going to be your story? So what, you're tethered off your phone onto a laptop right now also? That's so funny. Well, no reason to be bearish at the moment, guys. We've been pretty bullish, obviously, since the low of London. Pushing up. Took overnight view up. We're above the point of control. We'll see how it gets. What it's like when we get up to value area high 67.27. So if I'm a little slow to get to your comments and stuff, it's because I only have a couple screens, so I'm limited here.
Only have a couple of screens. You don't need more than that.
Well, it's either TradingView or StreamYard, so. Damn, look at this ES, man. If anything, the YM is what's telling us that the longs are happening today. At the moment, anyways. NQ's popping up here too on some pretty big volume.
Good ES. Oh, ES just made a new high a day by a couple of ticks.
Yeah. All right, there's value area high for ES. Did you hear that ding noise? Damn. Yes. Why did I let you go?
I know, right?
17 to 32 now.
It looks like there's still orders up above too. All right, maybe today will be a little bit better than yesterday's price action.
Seems so far. Why does the internet have to be out?
It's a pain in the ass, I know. It's just gonna keep going? What the hell?
Right? Price discovery.
This is price discovery. Wow. MNQ is still making higher for the opening range. YM still inside the opening range.
You're letting your trading bot handle things for me today. Let's see how it goes. Nice, Johan. Good luck with that. RSI looks like a wind stock. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, like it's like, oh, gotcha. It's going up. Wind stock. Yeah.
Actually going to start looking at ES shorts here. Or I'm sorry, NQ shorts. Not taking anything yet, but there's a lot of orders coming on underneath the current price for NQ. So I'm just staying out of this until I see either a good setup for a long or a short back down to 615.
There's something different about you, Dave? Yeah. Well, I'm not wearing headphones, and I'm on my laptop because my internet's down. So the camera angle's different, and yeah,
And
my
he had
hair
his
might be
implants
a
done.
little messy too here. Still at the desk, just can't use my computer. Well, hey, wishing I would have just jumped in on a short there when you said that.
Yeah, I just put in my NQ short. Had a tight stop loss on it, but I may have been wrong here. Been known to happen.
Yes, pulling back here.
All right, I locked in $40.
Very nice.
Don't stop
Yes,
me out now.
He's going to stop you
Stop
out?
me out. All right.
Gotcha. ES pulled back right to the New York VWAP and bounced. YM's now below it. NQ has a little bit of space here.
NQ hit London high. Seeing a little bit of support there.
I really want to get one of those screen mounts so I can put the second screen right above the first screen. That'd be so much better. Then I don't have to look to the left the whole time. Johan, did your bot take a trade just yet? So curious about bot trading.
Oh, sorry. You're talking to me. I was like, no, not trading any bots. So I was definitely off in my my short theory on NQ so far. Came down to London high, saw support there, bounced right back up. We're above New York VWAP.
There's a little pop. NQES. right up to that 24,800 level on NQ. We do have a naked point of control on ES at 68.28. Obviously, quite a ways to go, like 100 points, but something to keep in mind.
Naked point of control. Tell us to put some clothes on. It's cold in Canada.
Right? I actually have snow on the ground. I think that has to do with why I'm out. Internet's out.
So trend is up so far on everything, but I don't have a whole hell of a lot of faith that it's gonna keep going up.
Yeah.
I think we got news in 4 minutes too. So is that correct?
Yeah, I think we have Michigan sentiment this morning. Trump has posted a Truth Social. Cuba confirms talks with Trump officials, raising hopes for U.S. deal.
Huh. What deal for Cuba? What the fuck are we doing with Cuba now?
And Jolt's job openings here coming up in 4 minutes. Michigan sentiment and Jolt's job openings. So on a TPT Pro, is that considered high impact news where you can't trade those?
Yes. Let me look at my email. I'm sure they sent me one.
Oh, yeah, they do send that, don't they?
Consumer price index. Oh, that was. Wait, is today Wednesday?
Friday?
No, today is Friday, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, I didn't get an email from them about it.
Hmm.
I wouldn't be trading during that anyway, but take 5 minutes off.
Pulling back there sort of to the high of the first 5 minute candle on ES. But I'm going to be staying flat here also until we get this news.
After news, I'll think about it.
Hey, Lilish Borker, good morning. Oh, is that your bot you're saying is set for 10 o'clock only? You want to avoid the volatility at the start? Yeah, smart. Everyone longing New York VWAP pre-news. I'd be surprised if we don't scam dump on news. Good, thanks, Darren. We had a lot of black ice yesterday, Johan. I use Financial Juice, Kalen, for my news. It's just a easy, brief overview. So
Financial Juice is probably your best bet all the way around.
yeah, Johan. I wouldn't be talking about him, but unfortunately, he has a lot of effect on the price. So it's good when if we know he's posting or talking. Can you copy trade the Ignite accounts along with
Yes, you
the eval account?
If you use a third-party copier, you can. What do you guys use to see calendar events? I use the Traders Post event calendar.
Do I look that tired today, Johan? I'm assuming you're talking about Trump. All right, there's a 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. candle, I guess. Yeah, the orange dude.
Well, you don't like my tan? Starting to drop a little.
So job increases, it looks like, reported. So they had previous was 6.542 million. Forecasted was 6.75 million, but the actual was 6.946 million.
Interesting.
Michigan sentiment prelim, previous 56.6, forecast 54.8, and actual 55.5. Not sure exactly what that means.
For us, not a whole heck of a lot.
Other than prices going down. Bit of a deeper pullback here. Maybe what I should do is try to get my keep the YouTube open on my iPad. I'll be right back. 1 second.
All right, we came down to Asian high. That was the support level. We are below New York VWAP.
You still looking at NQ?
ES.
Okay. Asia high support, yes. Yeah, I figure if I get the stream going on the side on the how do I have internet here? Oh, it's tethered. Interesting. Of course. And I can at least see the comments. And I can at least see the comments. Darren says, I'm looking for overnight previous New York orb low for a sneaky long on ES. Geez, if I wasn't into trader lingo, yeah.
Sneaky with it. All right.
If I wasn't up to date on my trading lingo, that comment might be like, what the heck?
To take a sneaky long.
ES and YM are below the New York. Oh, NQ also, but NQ's seems to be holding up a little bit better. Not by much. More pullback here, hey?
Lots and lots of pullback.
They're all heading back down to the point of control. YM's touching the overnight VWAP. You took a win on gold, but you don't have a bot on gold, Johan? Nice. Good job. Good job.
Gold do it now. Oh, same as everything else. Up, down, up, down. All right, I'm going to go grab some more coffee before I end up falling down a trench.
Sounds good. He may be gone, but we'll never know, guys, because his camera says he's still here. This was a key support on the opening candle here, this level for ES. Kind of just swept the low there. Really feeling like I want to buy this right now. Sitting right on the point of control. Previous debut up, but also yeah, I don't know. Don't want to fight the New York view up. Might as well get comfy. So I don't know if you guys heard, which probably some of you wouldn't because you're not in Canada, but we had a bit of a sad story. There was a woman named, what's her name? Melissa Blimke, who's 25 years old. She got stabbed 15 times in a stairwell in Metrotown, which is a area in Burnaby, BC, near Vancouver. And her boyfriend is the one who stabbed her, Everton Javon Downey. and a judge ruled because of impact of race and culture that he got a reduced sentence for murdering her. Instead of getting life in prison, the judge set it to 12 years.
Interesting. I think that's a load of bullshit if I ever heard one.
Right? Like, since when does anybody get a bonus for having a certain background? Right?
Well,
Shouldn't be like
it's
that. Sorry to cut you off with the bell there. ES less volatile, yes. Shutting down the one Ignite TOF 50K for the day, up 350. There you go.
yeah.
What a precedence to be set, right? Yeah. There's lots of weird stuff going on in Canada right now, guys. Lots of weird stuff.
Yeah, we have our own issues in the U.S.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you guys do.
Wow.
Well, shorts are in play here, looking like. Now we're getting below all the VWAPs almost. Well, YM is. Yes, just looking to push down below the overnight here soon. Value area low might be a little support area. It was resistance in the overnight session. Value area low is sitting at 69 or 66.93.
I'm in a gold short on a cash account right now.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Locking in $100.
Very nice. Keep going. Keep going.
Well, that's what I'm hoping. Locking in 150. $250.
There goes YM or yes, sorry. Also dumping right down to value area low.
Took $300 out of that gold trade.
Nice
To help my
job.
coffee go.
YM's being nasty. I guess yes. Darren tried it long below the daily open, but getting smoked. Damn, yeah. Getting a reaction here off the value area low. can't get a little more pop here.
I can't reach the internet right now.
Coming down towards that VWAP deviation band, the number 1 right now on YM.
I'm up about 20 bucks on this bounce here, guys. Gonna lock in a little bit, stop at 98, see if we can't take the 700s and keep pushing here. Nice, nice. Locking in at 6,700. Up 33 in this little bounce here. Like that value area low for an entry. Come on, don't pull back here. Keep going. Keep going. There we go. I'm out. It was 22.50 in that little trade. Not bad. 2 for 2 on these trades this morning. I wasn't looking for a complete reversal off value area low there, but just more of a scalp trade.
Acceptable.
Because, you know, obviously overall trend is bearish, so. Got a little resistance there off of the point of control. Now, if we can get a closure below value area low, we could target previous day low for a short trade.
Looking to see what it does off of VWAP. Go from there.
Yeah, yeah. Darren's still riding the long, just about up now. Stop below the wick low, risking 80. Same idea here, though, guys. If we do get a nice strong closure above the point of control, we could also consider longs back to the value area high, or, you know, opening range high. But we gotta get a move before that's gonna happen. Opening range low is 67.03, so we kind of bounced and rejected right off that level.
And YM short off of VWAP.
That's also lined right up with the point of control. Should be a pretty key level.
Yeah, I got a tight stop on this in case it goes against me, but well, it looks like today might be a top to bottom trading day.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew there was something weird after I woke up this morning. I looked at my phone, and my trading view wasn't updating. I'm like, uh-oh, internet.
Oh, shoot.
Need to reclaim the orb low, then you're probably out at the VWAP, Darren. Nice. Yep. Need to make a bit of a move here. Still. Hey, Tim. Good morning. How's the farm shop working for you? Busy?
Busy is
Isn't there a
good.
new thing in TradingView with the alerts? I don't know. Did you hear anything, Nick?
No, but I haven't been paying much attention either. So.
I'll run it by AI real quick here. TradingView released a few new alert-related features recently, late 2025 to early 26. Alert presets, newest workflow feature. TradingView recently added alert presets, which lets you save your alert setting as a reusable template. Configure an alert once, save it as a preset, reapply it to charts.
All right. That doesn't sound horrible.
They also have, you can now combine up to 5 conditions in a single alert. So, for example, trigger alert only when price touches VWAP, RSI is less than 30, and session high breaks. That's kind of interesting. And then alerts on drawing zones, which is very useful. TradingView added alerts directly on rectangular zones. You can now trigger alerts once price enters a supply-demand zone, exits the zone, stays inside the zone. So great for FVG, order blocks, liquidity areas. And then TPO or market profile alerts. You can now use TPO or market profile. You can now trigger alerts when price interacts with profile levels, value area rejection, point of control retest, single print liquidity areas, and watch list alerts can now set an alert when that scans multiple symbols on your watch list. Wow. You can't put a condition and your bot won't work today? That's so funny, Tim. I was literally just thinking about that.
What were you thinking about?
Nick goes, Dave was singing on the stream last night. He brought up a Meatloaf song. I gotta clip that, hey Tim? That could lose me a bunch of subscribers, actually. Kites kick ass. Are you out of here? I'm assuming kites kick A means kites kick ass. I don't know. but sounds cool anyways. Have a great weekend there, Kites.
Enjoy.
Initial balance set here, 10:30 a.m. Getting a bit of a pop here at the half hour. We do have a bearish fair value gap at 67.10 area on the 5-minute. Have a little bit of a reducing volume on the last two candles. This candle looks like it's moving up pretty quickly on pretty low volume. Well, and volume's climbing pretty good right now, actually. So we're at least 50% of the previous candle's volume already, and we're only about a minute and a half in on this 5-minute candle. Darren, okay, you're out. Got a 1-to-1 80-ish profit. Nice. Have to go fetch your son in 10 minutes, so didn't want to have to baby the trade. Yeah, smart. Good idea. Nice little break here, right up to the just breaking the New York VWAP currently. Everything's telling me I should short this right here, but not on a bounce like that. Like, we've been bearish, kind of, but this is a pretty strong bounce, so that's the only thing that's holding me back from taking a short. Looks like we lost Nick. You'll wait for the chop to finish and maybe get in another trade or two later. Yeah, smart. Yeah. All three indices here working together on this bullish move. NQ and ES pulling back. YM is still sort of holding that value area high and the New York VWAP. Hey, welcome back.
Hey, you're having internet issues. I'm having power issues.
Oh yeah, power went out for a minute.
Oh yeah. Luckily, I was not in a trade.
Looks like I missed a I was just saying, I'm like, we're at the New York VWAP. I really want to short this here, but then it was such a strong candle at the moment that I decided to not. And then look at that, pulled back, 7 points. Is that music too loud? I just changed it, so I just wasn't sure if the built-in music is different volume than. Yeah, that's too bad there, guys. Should have
Missed
listened
that
to
short.
should have listened to my instincts on that entry on that New York VWAP there.
Unfortunately, power going out is really just messed up an entry for me.
Yeah, definitely.
Went right up to that first deviation band on NQ and came right back down to VWAP, which is what I was waiting for before the power went out. So now I have to wait again. Is it going to bounce off of VWAP, or is it going to go down to the first -1 deviation band? What do you think?
Yeah. Johan said, Dave, I'm going back to play pickleball this afternoon. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, pickleball is really fun. Glad you enjoyed it. Pretty addicting. It's I laugh and have a lot of fun every time I play. Even if it's competitive. Still fun.
So, on average, how many pickles do you go through while playing?
0? I take a jar of pickles and eat them before every match.
A little salt, a little vinegar. Matches your personality, right?
Well, I love me some salt and vinegar chips, that's for sure.
Me too.
So ES rejected off the New York VWAP, pulled back down, bounced off of the overnight VWAP. So we're kind of looks like we're stuck in this range here.
Today, like I said, today looks looking like a top to bottom. We're going to play around with VWAP and the deviation bands today and hope something good happens.
Yeah. Johan doesn't like pickles, but she likes to play pickleball.
What is wrong with you, Johan? Come on. Pickles are delicious. It's like somebody just abused a tiny baby cucumber and put it in a jar.
Vinegar chips make your tongue tingle.
Yeah,
hey, Dad, good morning.
Be back.
Johan's a bad girl, Nick. Haha.
Did I just hear you say Johan's a bad girl?
That's what she said. No, it wasn't me. I said it, but
Favorite kind.
he put it in the chat. So.
All right. Well, I mean, there's that.
All this talk about salt and vinegar chips. Now I'm feeling hungry.
I'm always feeling kind of hungry. The problem I have.
It's a pretty common problem.
I'm a growing boy. Out, not up. Alright, I am in an ES short from VWAP. I'm locking in $100.
Nice little move there.
Locking in 150.
Sitting right on the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart.
I want to see it break through that and get down to 66.82. Lock in 250.
Very nice. Now we're just tapped onto the value area low again there.
Locking in 300. Little push down. Looking in 350. In case this starts pulling back on me and doesn't do what I want it to.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Locking in
Nice little
400.
Yep. NQ's now on the 200 EMA and YM also.
Locked in 425. $450. 500.
Nice trade there.
525. And I'm out.
Nice trade. Good job.
All right. Okay, 550 on that one.
So we tapped into a bullish fair value gap right at 66.87, which was the very bottom of that candle, basically.
All right.
And bounced up.
Had to start using those.
4 points.
Experienced a little bit of slippage on that. I just looked at my P&L.
Oh,
Only
yeah.
up 500 on that trade.
$25.
It's looking like gold's having some issues today.
I'll be just a sec. Frank's barking.
Probably just what? So you ready to come down here, Dave, and open up a pickleball center? Not so much. Oh, Dave is gone. All right. Whew. So the highest volume we've had on ES is at 6702. Just hit the deviation band from midnight, rejected off of that, came up 6 points. It's a pretty strong downtrend for the day though, so I'm not looking at taking longs off of this right now. This rejects off of VWAP again. I may go in with a little bit more size on ES. making a little bit of an effort, but that was short-lived.
What did I miss?
Well, I was just saying I was looking at taking a short off of ES if it gets if it pulls back up towards VWAP. It made a little bit of an effort, came right back down to the first deviation band, and yeah, I got nothing.
Gotcha. Oh, the alerts are working on TradingView and Johan's bot placed a trade.
Ooh, nice.
Tim, $40
Value
profit.
area.
Yes.
Nice. Value area low, bounce NQ.
It looked like it did, but now it's looking a little lower. Scalped it for $70. Whoa, nice job, Kaylin. Kaylin's been trading really well too.
ES is pushing through that first deviation band pretty hard, but we still have 308 orders just above us on the book map. And then another, in total, 500 orders going all the way up to 6750.
Oh. I was saying earlier, if we could break below value area low, previous day low is going to be our target, and we're basically touching it right now on ES. What do we have for below that for potential targets? I mean, there is London low, ripping right through previous day low right now. Really want to sell this, but I feel like I'd just be selling the bottom. Nice, Johan. A winning trade with the bot on MYM, and then another winning trade with the bot on ES.
Need to get me one of them there bots.
Making money on the side for nothing. Well, for the pre-work. And another gold by yourself. Nice. Making money hand over foot.
Hand over foot? I don't think that's how that saying goes.
No, I was wondering.
Do not think that's how that goes.
Hand over fist.
Hand over fist.
Yeah. The origins of that is from sailors, because when they would pull up ropes, they'd put their hand over fist. It means fast, continuous movement.
I love knowing the origins of things like that. Thank you,
Yeah.
whoever put that in there. You want to give me that bot, Johan? I'll take it and try it out. Made the strategy with AI based on VWAP. Awesome. You're speaking my language.
Sounds like a Nick style, yeah.
You know how much I love VWAP. Ask Cardi B, she'll tell you. Yeah, I said it. I'm not proud of it, but I said it. In my ES short right now, 9 contracts. Average price is 66.68.
Nice.
And I made $90. All right. I rejected off that number 1 deviation band again. So figured I would keep it short and tight.
Mm-hmm. Good trade. Overall, you're 1,200 green today. Nice job, Johan.
That's
That's killer.
awesome.
Hey there, Split Striker. Hey guys, much better price action this session compared to the rough Asia session. Yeah, yesterday's second half of the day after the initial drop and all of the Asia session was not very friendly yesterday. You had one trade that failed on NQ with your bot. You'll have to see what happens. Yeah. Definitely going to have to review every trade.
I don't know why you wouldn't if you're trading with a bot.
Mm-hmm.
So ES came up before hitting that second deviation band. Came up, went through the first deviation band, and is now just paused right on it. That's slightly below it on the 5 minute.
We do have a couple bullish fair value gaps still in the London session, kind of right at this price.
Bring my size way down here right now.
It's a good idea.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry to hear that,
Size way
Johan.
down.
Hopefully everything's
Always
good.
Can always add into a winner.
Yeah.
Oh no. I hope your mom's okay. Yeah, the thing with Tom went all right. He is a wealth of knowledge. And if you missed it, you can always go to my YouTube channel and pull it up. It's saved in there. Oh no, she had a heart attack?
Oh shit.
Oof.
That sucks.
My mother's a typical Italian woman. She had like 7 heart attacks.
Wow.
Paramedics come. She said, "Get the fuck out of my house." Okay.
Shit. Sounds like a tough lady.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it. So we're at that 666 level on ES right now. Seem to recall this from Randy from months ago.
Oh yeah. 4 6s back in the play.
Mm-hmm.
Those buyers and sellers have been waiting there this whole time.
Yeah, like 9 months now.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that she's released and obviously doing better, Johan. That's tough. So if we do get a bounce here and we want to look for a short, where do we do that? The previous day low, 66.72 with a bearish fair value gap up there. Not very far.
Got 66.90 is a good level.
That's also in a bearish fair value gap at value area low.
I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be not nice. How's school going?
I did take a short here in this bearish fair value gap at 66.75. If we end up pushing past 80, I'll probably be stopping this out. Got a little pullback, but then now we're turning it back into a green candle here. See if these sellers can't hold this level here.
This is just a healthy pullback.
228 on this 5-minute candle here.
Taking that long back up to VWAP. Real small size. And I'm out. Literally covered my costs and commissions, and that's it.
Good management.
Yeah, I was a little iffy on that, getting all the way back up to VWAP, so it's been in such a downtrend today that I don't want to. Don't really want to put on anything more than like $100 in risk. Trading micros. Frank's informing you there's an intruder?
Yeah. Something's going on.
There's a fox in your hen house.
Well, the chickens can't even leave the coop because they don't want to go walk in the snow. So there's like, we have the coop, and then there's like a sort of a tent thing in front of it. There we go, starting to get a bit of a move. My rules say that if I have an inverted fair value gap or an entry on a fair value gap that gets inverted, I gotta try to stop it out, break even here. So we're slightly in the money. I got my stop locked. Cover fees. We're up 35 in this trade right now. So I might actually just take one off here. I locked that in there. 31 bucks something. It's hard to manage when you don't live in the same city. Yeah, I definitely feel you, Johan.
One of those little single engine planes just flew overhead, so all the howler monkeys are screaming at it right now. I don't know if you can hear that in the background.
It is hard to hear. I think the noise cancellation works pretty good.
Thankfully, something works pretty good on this. All right, I am officially in my ES short. Lock in 30 bucks in profit. See if this continues down. Lock in M50. Lock in 100. Took my 100.
Yeah, Johan, howler monkeys. There's monkeys that hanging out in Nick's backyard.
Yeah, I wasn't referring to Dave this time. If that was the noise they make, it wouldn't be quite as obnoxious. Seeing some support down here on ES. What's going on?
They're battling at the 75 there, hey?
It's a little bit of a fight.
They want to head back down to the 6s.
Got small size on here, so
You got a little wiggle room. Wiggle, wiggle.
bring this down to cover cost and commissions. Plus a couple bucks. All right, up 450 on this one so far.
Wow, nice. And you're saying small size.
Yeah, 10 micros. This is a cash account, not a
Okay, gotcha.
prop account. I'm
Fair
not
enough.
trading. I'm not copy trading prop accounts while I'm having electrical issues here.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
At least I know with my broker, my order is in, and I can go to one single thing on my phone and cancel it out immediately if I need to.
Nice, yeah. When if you have multiple accounts running, that's a little bit more of a challenge, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's a headache is what it is. All right, up $700 so far. Locking in 400. Seems to be stalling at the 60 level a little bit. Oh, as I say that, it pushes down. Just gonna lock in 500 and leave it right there. I don't need to worry about a trailing drawdown on this, so. I have to keep that in mind when I'm trading a cash account. I don't have a trailing drawdown. I can set my stop loss wherever I want it, and I don't need to trail it aggressively. Just added 5 micros to this. Not really seeing a reason to get out of it yet, but I'm starting to get a little itchy here. Got the second deviation band down at 51. Or I'm sorry, 50, 66, 55. Actually going to put a take profit in here down at 66.30, just in case.
You still in that trade?
Yep.
Nice.
Up about 750 right now, so
Very nice. Tim locked in $40 on MES short and another 100 on gold short, or on a gold short for Johan.
good
Job,
deal.
guys.
And I'm out.
Nice trade.
This is a relatively fast $600.
Yeah.
Stopped me out on that pullback, so I'll take it. Think I'm going to start a coaching business here.
Yeah.
I keep getting messages from people about private coaching lessons or private coaching sessions.
Oh, nice. On X or something, or?
Yeah, on X, and then I've got a couple of people that just keep messaging me on the Discord now.
Nice.
It's basically people wanting to learn entries and risk management.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like that's what people really are having issues with.
Johan said she's interested. Nick.
Well, hit me up then.
And Tim said, "Can he be your first customer?" There you go.
Absolutely. Gonna have to fight Johan for it. We'll actually get that on video. Get a lot of YouTube subscriptions watching Tim get his ass beat by a girl. I ever tell you when I was sparring with one of the girls in my class, and took an axe kick to the side of the head, caught me right here. I hit the ground so hard. It was horrible. So I have been beaten up by a girl. Not everybody can be you, Dave.
Pretty high volume bounce there. Increasing volume anyways.
It's going to reject off that 66. I think it is. Let's not use 15 micros here. 5.
Well, I tried to get the entry there, but it left my order in the dust. So can't
Locking
chase
in
it.
25 in profit here.
There you go, nice. See if we can break these lows.
That would be
A little more, almost there.
Jim Dandy. All right, just added
Go.
5 micros to it. Locked in 37.50. Oh shit! Just took me out. So I made $37.50 on the trade.
Nice.
Should have opened up my stop loss a little bit more when I added to it
Mm-hmm.
instead of bringing it down. Gotta watch out for 66.50 to see if it bounces off that, but and now we wait. Yeah, I was thinking about doing the coaching stuff though. After going through like the ASFX program and all that stuff, like I like their coaching. I like their individual coaching better than their group coaching though.
Yeah.
And honestly, I'd rather do like individual coaching so that way you can, look at a person's individual trades and not have like a whole group looking at them, because that makes some people uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I'm not that popular. So, I mean, at most I would have like maybe 10 people that would be coaching. Jesus. Wasps on my glasses.
Bounce back up to the 60s.
Yeah, I was looking at 50 for a level for it to bounce, but it bounced at 57.
Mm-hmm.
And a little bit of chop here.
Mm-hmm. Those previous two previous candles on the 5 basically closed right on 60.
Mm-hmm. That is a level to watch right now. I would have loved for it to bounce back up to VWAP, and so I could take and reject off it, so I could take a nice long time frame short.
Mm-hmm. That candle closed right at the 60s also there.
I'm in the short at can't tell where my price is here. 66.61. Locking in 1 point.
Another nice one.
Locking in 200 in profit.
Almost at that 66.50.
250. Then 300. See what this 1 minute candle does here. One minute, 2 minute candle. You know what I meant. Then 325. $350.
Look out, London lows.
Or London lows.
That was, let's see here. The low is 6640.25.
Yeah, 450 locked in. If this breaks below the 47 level, I'm going to add another 5 micros to it. Getting a little rejection off that deviation band, and it took me out. So unhappy with that one.
Nice trade.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
So which VWAP is that? Is that like the second deviation band?
Hold on one second. Can you see that?
Let's see here. Gotcha.
So my big purple line is VWAP. I have it on the regular trading hours right now. So I've got VWAP here. First deviation band is, it's down here at 66.44.50. This one is the second deviation band down at 66.20. And again, is how it bounced right off of that deviation band, and it bounced off it here, went through it a little bit here, bounced off, came back down. It's just been playing with it all damn day.
Wow,
But
yeah.
it hasn't made it all the way back to VWAP.
I was in that long there. I locked in 60. How much was it? Basically, I'm up 160 now on the day, so locked in about I guess it was $100 winner.
Internet right now. Check your modem or router connection and try again.
Still working on that interweb service.
Yeah, the Google thingy keeps hearing me talking when I'm not talking to it, and it keeps saying, "Oh, then you need the internet connection."
Come on, gold, down, down, down. Gold.
That was 6 minutes ago. What do we got here for gold?
Sorry, I need to check the chat a little more often.
It's all good. You're in trades, so. So it did go down, but now it's going up a bit. Rejecting though. Oh, we tapped I had a naked point of control actually on gold down below, and we tapped that. What was that? Just before 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. candle. 10:55 candle. So I can remove that guy.
Yeah, weird. Says my trade Zelda for some reason said I had a max drawdown of $135,000.
Oh.
That ain't right.
No. I think that was some pretty big short coverings on that last bounce there.
I don't think you're wrong. Yes, it's still got a bunch of orders underneath. There's 436 orders at 66.3750.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind taking 20 points on this right now.
See you later, Johan. Have a good one.
Short's working out for me. All right.
Locking in.
Locked in 100. And I'm adding another 5 micros. Now I've only got 75 locked in. Just give it a little bit more room to breathe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeing a lot of orders coming on underneath us, so I want it to be able to actually get down there before I get stopped out. And if I do get stopped out, I made a couple bucks. I'll be happy with it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, yes, go down, go down. Stop toying with my emotions. Should say stop toying with my blood pressure. I don't know why. I have a little bit of profit locked in. But still, when watching those candles this closely, it does make me a little bit tense.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, I can't lose money on this trade.
But you just don't want to be stopped out.
Yeah, so I want it to go down.
Now to hold the 6650 would be nice.
And I got stopped out. So that happened.
Well, NQ still hasn't taken London low, so I don't know that this move lower is quite done yet.
Peace.
Oh, actually, it looks like it did by a tiny bit when I zoom in a little bit closer.
At 24,396. Is that correct?
I have the low at, yeah, basically, yep. And it looks like we got to like 395 or something, or 396.25.
It's about time for me to wrap it up. Gotta go have some dental work done.
I was just thinking that too, actually. We've been on a little bit longer than typical, by about 30 minutes. I'm happy. I'm up 160 in this, that I won that 50K from Abby. Abby's.
Oh, yeah, you told me that.
So this was my first trading day on that account, and up 160. So not bad.
So Monday I'll probably be a little bit puffy. And I will see you Monday morning, possibly Sunday night.
Yeah, sounds good.
Thanks everybody for joining. Two old guys trying to make money. And
that should be the new stream name.
Yeah, right. Two old guys trying to make money. And Johan, Tim, if you're actually interested in coaching, let me know. Send me a message in the Discord, and I will get back to you shortly. David, enjoy your weekend.
Okay, man. Yeah. Thanks. You too. See you later.
Yes, you will.
Okay, guys, let's do the quick sign off as per usual. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much. Hopefully you guys are green. Seems like we're all pretty green. We've been all locked in on the sells all morning, so I'm sure you guys also ended out the day pretty good, which is awesome. So thank you so much, Johan, Tim, Aaron, Split Striker, Kalen, Mr. Stewart, Kites Kick Ass, Kick A, Lilish Borker. I'm pretty sure Keith was here earlier too. Yeah, Keith. And I think that's about it, guys. So thanks so much, everybody. I'll give you guys a little heads up. Planning to do a Lucid giveaway Monday morning. So make sure you guys tune in for the Monday morning stream. I want to kind of give it to the usual suspects. It'll be a 25K eval from Lucid. So see you guys on Monday. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Stay green, stay safe, and I'll be back live Sunday night for the session. I do have a hockey game that I'm going to be playing, so I might do a short stream around 6 p.m., maybe 6 till 7, and then I'll have to take off to hockey. And then I was thinking to do another hour or so when I get back after the game. So the hockey game for me is from 8 till 9 p.m. or so. So I'll probably be back around 10. So I was thinking I might be able to do a little 10 to 11 sort of stream my time, which is pretty late for everybody else. But I'm going to try to get some stream in on Sunday night anyways. So thanks so much, everybody. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later. Peace out. Goodbye. Bye.